after day, I must face a world.
For some reason, hindi nag-viral tong post na to ni Baldogs dito sa TikTok. Pero alam niyo ba, 9.5 million views na yan sa Facebook. Doon ko siya una actually na nakita. And this video is about pagpapatanggal sa kanya sa trabaho kung saan siya nagsilbi for 5 years just because nakita yung video niya ng management na nagpapakain ng stray dog during his break time. Now, don't get me wrong. I totally and completely and absolutely understand the importance of our safety and health and sanitation, lalo na pagdating sa food industry. And this could be the ultimate reason kung bakit siya kailangang tanggalin sa trabaho. I also understand that there are protocols. But, as an ordinary Filipino citizen, I am sure that there has been a violation of his right as an employee. Katok-katok sa mga taga-DOLE, taga-NLRC, please check on this issue kasi very alarming, very not demure, not mindful. I will show you the statement of this establishment and I'm not showing them para i-boycott nyo, pero pwede din. Choice. Okay, basahin natin yung statement nila. From Goto Tendon, official statement. We extend our sincere apologies to our valued customers and the community regarding the recent incident involving a former employee, Val Sardia. We understand the concern this situation has raised and want to clarify our stance. While we deeply appreciate efforts to care for stray animals, our decision to terminate the employee was not solely based on this act of kindness. Health and sanitation protocols are critical in the food service industry, and it is our duty to prioritize the safety and well-being of our customers. The use of leftover food in unsanitary practices as well as a refusal to comply with internal procedures led to this unfortunate outcome. We remain committed to upholding the highest standards of cleanliness and respect in our establishment. Moving forward, we will take additional steps to ensure all staff members are fully aware of our protocols, and we encourage open communication in addressing any concerns. We value the support of our community and apologize for any confusion this situation may have caused. Ngayon, basahin naman natin yung side ni Baldog. So, ito daw yung nangyari. May na-receive po ako na call and text from our HR na pinapapunta ako para gumawa daw ng handwritten explanation letter, which is tama naman kasi there was an incident report and kailangan mo mag-comply to address that issue. So the reason for termination daw is disrespect daw and unsanitized. May pinapapirma po sila sa akin and against ako sa nakalagay. So hindi po ako pumirma. Tama naman. Nagalit yung HR at sabi niya, magtatagal daw kami dito sa loob ng office. Nagpatawag ng other employee, pinasara at pinabantay ang pinto para hindi ako makalabas sa office. That is clearly an illegal detention. Dito na po ako natakot. Na-trauma ako sa ginawa sa akin, sa sobrang takot ko at hindi ko na alam ang gagawin. In 5 years service ko, ngayon lang po nangyari ito sa akin. Mali po ba ang ginawa ko? Ngayon wala na po akong trabaho. That, my friend, is clearly illegal detention and illegal or unjust termination. So my advice is, since it happened to me before, what you can do, aside from pagpo-post sa social media, you clearly have the community and support behind you. So, ang gawin mo is mag-file ka ng formal complaint because at the end of the day, I want you to process this in the proper venue. So, daanin natin lahat sa legal. Pumunta ka ng Banawe, Quezon City, dun yung office ng NLRC, mag-file ka ng complaint against your previous employer, and there you can make sure mo na kompleto yung documents mo and ilahad mo yung pangyayari and yung mga claims na gusto mong mangyari. Gusto mo bang bumalik sa trabaho? Gusto mo bang bayaran yung mga araw na dapat nagtatrabaho ka pero hindi kanila pinapasok because of illegal termination? Gusto mo bang magbayad sila ng damages because of the trauma that they have caused you? I-state mo doon lahat ng gusto mong claims and they will provide you with the legal assistance that you need. And clearly, you have 9.5 million people behind you who love animal, who love stray dogs, who love stray cats behind you. So we'll support you, and sana justice will be served.